Welcome to Dots Lab, where every tool turns numbers into clues. Some datasets are chaotic. Others are quietly consistent. In Dots Lab, we compare their variability, and CVAR is our lens. This tool lets you generate two datasets with target means and sigmas. Then it plots their CVAR as lines stemming from the origin. Its slope reveals stability. Flatter slope? More stable. Steeper? More erratic. Set the mean and sigma for dataset 1. You're defining its average behavior and spread. Now do the same for dataset 2. Think of it as a rival suspect group. Click Generate Plot and watch the CVAR graph appear. Each line from the origin tells a story. The flatter the slope, the tighter the behavior. Want to see the raw data? Tick the box. Dot always keeps the evidence visible. Here is another example. Can you create two datasets where one looks chaotic but is actually more stable? Try mean equals 150, sigma equals 10 for dataset 1, and mean equals 15, sigma equals 5 for dataset 2. Then compare their CVAR slopes. The truth is in the angle. Variability hides in plain sight. CVAR is your magnifying glass. Want to use this tool inside a full case? Head to the case playlist. Or explore more app demos. Dots Lab is always open.